Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We're back with another one, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp in the comments down below. Feel free to join VIP, the blue button around the channel. You could click it to be alerted whenever we get in and out of plays. Also, get your free stock from down below. Hit me up for a 15-minute, 30-minute phone call full of value, full of gems. Let's go ahead and get you guys in and out of here. Share with you guys the top stocks that's on the top of my watch list going into next week. Also, share with you guys a few plays that will be reporting earnings on next week. We know earnings plays is made to play very, very small because it could go either way. A small amount could turn into a large amount, and a large amount could turn into a small amount. We also want to share our opinion on the overall market. So let's go ahead and get into that first. So as we know, guys, the market has been showing signs of a reversal. I was expecting, and some others as well, market analysts was expecting for the market to start to turn around going into the end of this year, going into next year. I believe the market is going to turn around and spike up big. But the thing is, I don't believe it's going to hold and sustain itself. I believe it's going to spike up to get leverage because there's already a lot of stocks are still down bad from wherever the market crashed, that it need that leverage because it ain't got nowhere else to go if it continues to just crash, crash, and crash. So it'll spike up, go crazy, have people buy in. As soon as they get caught up in there, chaos will happen. Interest rates will start going up again. Consumers would not be consuming as much, slowing up on spending. You're going to hear a lot of bad stuff in the news about what's going on. Over 80% of Americans will be out of savings by the end of this year going into next year. So think about it. Let it sink in. A lot of people haven't been paying their rent and their mortgage. A lot of people haven't been paying their car payment. A lot of people have been getting credit cards intentionally just to run up the credit cards because they can no longer afford things and not pay the bills whenever they come. So it's going to be a trickle effect for everyone, even the people with a lot of money. They ain't gonna be able to continue to have a lot of money or keep up those habits whenever you don't got the consumers consuming whatever it is that you have. Maybe it's an entrepreneur with millions of dollars in real estate, but you have a $500,000 in revenue of tenants not paying their rent. So that's going to add up. It's going to hurt your pockets. But anyway, that's a story for another day. Let's get into this. So as we know, stock futures fall slightly on Sunday evening with Wall Street riding a 4-week winning streak. Stock futures dipped on Sunday evening as Wall Street looked to build on 4 straight positive weeks for the equity market. As we know, if we take a look at the futures market on Sunday night, usually it's a slight indication of what the overall market could do going into that next week. So pay attention. It's not always 100%, but more times than not, it kind of tell you. So if the stocks is futures is slightly down on Sunday, I can almost guarantee you come Monday, watch we see the stocks sell off. Of course, it probably pick back up in the middle of the day, end of the day. Who cares? But I'm talking about the beginning of the day, fresh to start off. Pretty sure we're going to see a drop off. So, anyways, and that's not 100%. They're just, throwing it out there. But anyways, Wall Street is coming off the 4th straight winning week for all 3 major averages. Stocks rally since the 10-year Treasury yield retreated from the 5% mark. It briefly topped in late October. Also right here, like I was telling you guys earlier, the rally has come despite warnings from some U.S. retailers that consumer spending is weakening. Of course it is. Nobody has it. Things is going up outrageous. People pay has nearly stayed the same because a little increase that it did do ain't nothing compared to the increase of what we have to consume to live on a day-to-day basis. So anyways, let's go ahead and take a further look at the stocks that will report earnings on next week. Not too many really catching my attention. Like I like to follow earnings of stocks that I'm already keeping a close eye on. So, or already kind of much know about. So on Monday, no real companies to even discuss like that we really even know about. On Tuesday, CrowdStrike after close, that will be one that's within the community. Wednesday, Foot Locker reporting before open, Dollar Tree, Foot Locker and Dollar Tree. After close, Victoria's Secret. On Thursday, Kroger before the open, Big Lots, TD Bank, Cracker Barrel. And that's about it, guys. So you already know. But like I say, guys, and my bad, before we go, I got to tell you guys the main stocks I'll be looking at. That was just earning plays. So The top of my watch list for next week will be Lyft. Ticker symbol LYFT. It's sitting at 1050 on overnight trading. I do believe Lyft is being lagging behind. Uber is doing phenomenal this year, as you guys can see. And Lyft has some catching up to do. I don't compare it 100% to Uber, but it does have some comparison. And if Uber is doing well, Lyft should definitely be not too far behind as a competitor. So also ChargePoint. Take a look at ChargePoint. I'll be watching that on next week hard. I also have a penny stock for you. These penny stocks could go crazy sometimes, but you definitely want to be careful. Do not try to be greedy with a penny stock because you see this 200% returns in a day, stock up overall. Don't try to put 10 bins in and try to make 10 in a day. No, it's not. You're going to lose the 10. It's better to put a small amount that could turn into a large amount than a large amount turn into a small amount. Even if you put $500 in a penny stock and they go up 200% in a day, you $1,500, you up $1,000. That's good money. Don't try to go above and beyond and do too much because that's when you get caught slipping. So anyways, those would be the top stocks that I'll be watching next week, guys. Also a little bit of marijuana in there. I do believe another pop for them is coming as well with the Tilray and the CGC crowd. So keep an eye on those as well. So you already know what to do, guys. AgeBoy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Feel free to join VIP. I love y'all. We out and God bless you. We go.